and welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video I'm really excited because we're finally going to start decorating for Christmas. But before we start decorating for Christmas, we have to clean this house because it's a little bit messy. So in today's video we're going to do a deep clean with me. I'm going to start cleaning all of the windows, the screens. I'm going to change all of the bedding. I'm going to rearrange, yes, my daughter's bedroom. And what else? Oh, we're going to decorate the bathroom. I have a DIY on mine that I really want to do on my bathroom for Christmas, and for this I really need your opinion, guys. So when I start decorating the bathroom, make sure that you leave in the comments 2 options that I'm going to give you because I'm not sure of what to do yet. Guys, I'm finally back on YouTube. I'm going to start posting so many videos this whole season, 1 video every single week. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Now with that, I hope that you are ready because I am. Let's get started. Okay, first I need to take the curtains out to be able to clean the windows, and I also want to wash the curtains, so I need to do that too. Okay, so the washing machine is running. Now I need to clean the screens. It's gonna be a little bit darker, but we have to do this because the screens are pretty dirty. So, oh my god, they're so disgusting. Oh my god, can you see it? I washed these about less than 2 months ago. I need to clean this before Christmas again, but anyways. I'm gonna do this pretty quick. I'm going to use just water for this screen, and it cleans pretty well. Cleaning my house and getting ready for the holidays, and it's super hot. It's like 95 degrees here in Puerto Rico, so I need to feel the Christmas spirit. So today I'm going to be drinking coquito. The flavor is Nutella. This is the first coquito of the season. I'm super excited. Let's see. Yeah, it's good with a lot of ice. Woo! Now we can start cleaning. So I'm in my daughter's bedroom. I'm going to be washing everything. I'm also gonna change the bedding and the mattress. I'm gonna get a new one, and I think I'm going to arrange a few things. Can you see there? Yeah. So there is the bed, and here we have like a huge cube organizer cabinet. I don't know how to call it, but I think I'm going to move this around, and I'm also going to be, of course, cleaning all of the windows and the screens and everything. So let's get started. It's hot. I'm sweating a lot, and I haven't even started. I just take the curtains out. Oh my god. Can you see this? We have a heat advisory until 5 p.m. and it feels like, no, it feels like real feel 97 degrees. Oh my god, I'm seriously trying to have like all of this Christmas spirit and vibes and everything. I just want to open the pool. to have, I don't know, like a water balloon fight or something like that. Oh my god, I can't. It's so hard. Day 3. Let's keep going. Curtains are washed. I'm going to hang them. And a small tip that I like to do is to use this tape. This is like a double-sided tape, and this is like a tape that I use on my clothes. Like, for example, I put it here, I put the tape, then I stick it with my clothes, and the clothes are not going to move from there. Ouch. Ouch. But yeah, I actually like to use this tape for the curtains. So I'm going to put a small piece on the curtain rods, and then I'm going to stick the curtain. So that way the curtain is not going to move. And I do that on every single curtain on my house because I like to keep them open all the time. I'm going to put a small piece of tape. Like that. I'm going to stick my curtain. And that's it. Doesn't move. And it works really good. So yeah, let's hang this. Okay. I have this plastic storage thingy. It's from IKEA. And I really like it. It's less than $2 and you can store so many things in here. I like to put all of like the extra bedding stuff that I have. I like to put the pillow covers and pillow inserts and blankets and things like that that I have extra. What I'm looking for right now are some pillow covers for these pillow inserts to put them here like that. But I'm looking for something with a Christmas vibe. Let's see what I have. I have these ones that are burgundy, but I think I'm going to use these ones for the living room. Oh, I can use these ones. What do you think? And a throw blanket. Maybe something green or red. This one. Yeah, let me see. Something like this. Okay, now that the rooms are clean, all of the bedding is done and it's slightly decorated for Christmas, I'm going to start removing all of the greenery that I have in my house, because for Christmas I don't like this type of greenery at all. I like to put everything with pines and cedar, and I basically change everything. So I'm going to use this really big bag to just put all of my greenery, because in January I'm going to change everything again. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, day number, I don't know, like 100. I feel like I have been cleaning forever. Oh, but I'm finally going to start decorating. So I decided that what I want to do first is my bathroom, because why not? I already cleaned the bathroom, so I just want to do a few touch-ups and start decorating for Christmas. I'm going to do something different. I usually just always put like a Christmas shower curtain and that's it, but in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different, and I really need your opinion, guys, because I can always change it. So yeah, let's get started cleaning and then decorating the bathroom for Christmas. I'm so happy. Let's put some Christmas songs now. Okay guys, so my idea for the shower curtain to make it look better for Christmas, my idea was to use these red bows that I just got and put them on my shower curtain, but I have two options, and this is where it goes tricky. Option number one is to put them here, something like this, and these bows already have this part that I can use to hang them. So I'm going to start with the first option. I'm going to put them all on the top first to see how I like it. If I don't like it, I can use option 2, or I can maybe have an option 3. Who knows? Let's get started. So this is option number 1, is to put them all on top of the shower curtain. As you can see, let me see. And this is how I hang them. Option number 2 is to take them all out and just stick them all over the shower curtain. That's option number 2. Or option number 3 is to leave them like this, which I love, and maybe add a few bows here and there. I'm going to remove this wire and add this. So I'm gonna try option number 3 to see if I like it or not. This is option number 3, bows on top and a few around the shower curtain. This is my favorite option. I really like it, but my husband says that he liked the first one. So I don't know what to do. I need your help because I can take this so easily. So let me know, option 1, option 2, or option 3. For now, I'm going to leave it like this because I'm going to be waiting for your comments, okay? Now let's just add a few touches on the bathroom. I'm going to put a small garland on top of the round mirror and a small decoration on top of the toilet. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you like it, that you enjoy it, that you can take some inspiration from this video to start cleaning your home and to start decorating for the holidays. I feel like I'm ready to put my Christmas tree here. It's supposed to go right here, so maybe next video, or maybe I can do the mantle. Which one think you prefer? Let me know that in the comments. The Christmas tree or the mantle. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because you don't want to miss the next video, which you are gonna let me know which one is it. So yeah, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in the next one. Bye.